So we have a 2011 Nissan Sentra here in the shop. I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter.
And as far as the air on the air filter, it's got this little clip right here that you can clip off. The other one is missing, and looks like this cover just pulls forward here. It comes up. And you can slide the air filter up. Oop, the clip fell off. That's what happened to the other one.
Yeah, it probably slid down somewhere.
Yeah, so and slide it up, and it's got the two little slots. It'll self drag itself in there. Yeah, and this one kind of could use an air filter too. So
Yeah, we'll have to get one.
and then you could just slide this back down into the slot, and then push it back up into place here. Oh, it's right there already. And then it's got these little clips. There's one that's missing on it right now.
Yeah, that one should be over here.
Yeah, so looks like this clip clips in this way into here, and then it'll clip over like that. The other one must have fell off.
This is a pretty easy one, guys. It looks more complicated than it is.
Yeah,
and this is one of those things that the dealership loves to do for you. They'll whack you with $100 to change this thing.
Yeah, so just remove the clips and don't lose the clips, and then just draw the filter up, and you can put the new one right in the cartridge and slide it back down. What we did was just give this a little pull this way, and it slid right down back into place.
Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you.